Hey guys, how's it going? Your senpai here, so I thought I'd do a video on a redstone sorting system. Now, this sorting system does work on Java and Bedrock. Now, you can go as big as you want, technically, as long as you don't go past the build limit, obviously. Like, you could go all the way underground, you could go all the way up in the air, you can go as long as you want, as long as you have the resources to do it. Now, this is fairly expensive to build something like this. Got the barrels there just for show. Got the ender chest because those are very important. This is where all your stuff that you don't want sorted in. Yeah, I don't know how to say it. I don't have anything put in here, but basically how it works is, well, I added some in-depth type stuff. So we're gonna take our cobblestone. We're gonna take our oak logs. We chuck them in here, right? Now, believe it or not, don't mind that stuff over there, everything gets sent up by this redstone clock in a dispenser into a hopper over here. See, the redstone is quite simple, but it's very expensive. And you'd need to name a block like so, because, why not? Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how to actually do this step by step. Because why not? And I'm not going to edit the video, and I'm going to show you guys that it also works on Bedrock as well. So first, what you're going to need is your chest. You can use any kind of building block in all reality, but I just like using my wool because it looks nicer. So these are the items that you're going to need to build the main frame, obviously. I was playing with super smelters over there, so don't mind that. Sorry if you guys hear anything in the background, but I can't help it. So now, we're going to build a smaller version. We're going to start off, actually, let's go somewhere out of sight of there. We're going to build a much smaller version though, so I'm going to start with a 5x2 chest system. Forgot this is Java. Okay, so there is your chest right there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go like this. Now, if you're wondering what happens when an item goes down into this hopper, will it go into this hopper first? Yes, it will. For those who didn't know. For those of you who did know, it's kind of basic, right? Now we want to extend this out by 2 blocks, maybe one more. So 2 blocks. Oh, yeah, so 1, 2, go like that. No. Yeah, just go like that. I'm pretty sure I got that correct. Yeah, I did. So yeah, you definitely have to go a couple extra blocks out. Now we're going to be using the pink for the 3rd layer. Now you don't have to use the exact colors of wool, but I just like to color coat my stuff on which layer it is done by. Sorry if you can hear my keyboard, but I can't really help that. Crappy mic. Oh, we didn't grab the comparator. I am noob. You're gonna need a comparator. This is used by, like, you make that by getting quartz. You want it facing this way. Now, what you do is you link up the hopper system to the comparators, right? Did we get the redstone torches in there? Yes, we did. Sorry, I have bad memory. But anyways, then we gotta go like that. Now, so Now you're going to want to build something for where all your items that don't get sorted go in. Yeah, that looks about right. Now, don't worry, these will drop certain items into said hoppers. Just so you're like, okay, but how do we put this item into this hopper? Okay, I made a mistake here. Silly me. Are you making mistakes? Come on. I always seem to play bad whenever I try to record something, but I guess it's something I gotta deal with. I think this is about the cheapest you can get with said sorting system. Now before we get to the actual sorting part, we're going to build the part where you can transfer items through. Like up into here without having to build a chest like way up there. Which is a pain in the butt. Ice is going to be recommended. Now if I'm not correct, it takes about 8 blocks for the water not to flow. We're only going to go 5 blocks of ice though. Yeah, so that's what's going to be carrying it to said hopper, which is right here. Now normally this stuff would be all covered up, but you know, gotta leave it bare bones. Now we'll be using a bubble column as well. I know that there's probably a little bit of a cheaper way to do this, but I just find it easier to use a bubble column. I don't know about you guys, but I like my bubble columns. You don't have to do this. This is just me making it a little simpler for me. Where's my dispenser? Torch. There's probably simpler redstone clocks that aren't, well, this is a pretty simple one, but that don't require as much concentration with it. But we work with what we get. No, I wanted this. This will remain running for as long as you want it to run. Why did I put that there? You do not need to put a repeater there, trust me, or a redstone dot there. All you need to do is place a torch there, and do that, and there you go, you got a working redstone clock. Now, we're gonna need soul sand. No. Don't mind my spelling. Need a bucket of water. Now, remember, bubble columns can only be made via, well, water source blocks. Oh, we can't have that open. Is it open? No, actually, I just can't see. That's, okay, I'm blind. Don't mind my blindness. Now, all the items will be pushed to that hopper. And then prevent items from flying straight out of the bubble column, you just place that block there. Problem solved, right? It's not the nicest looking thing in the world, but it's better than nothing. Clear that up, there you go. Now let's get to the actual sorting part. Now let's take a very cheap block that you can use. Let's take cobblestone, right? Now, pretty sure it's in here, the anvil. What you do is you take said anvil, place it down, you name this item to whatever you want, because oh, I suck at spelling. Don't matter. See, because it don't matter. Us don't matter. Okay, yeah, okay. I missed the C on that one. I'm gonna be picked on for that. But anyways, so you want to do that. Doesn't matter on what you name the block, as long as you put it in these 4 slots. And now let's take everyday items that you'll be finding in Minecraft. So let's take your, let's say, oak logs, birch logs, your cobblestone, white wool, because why not? And, you know what, let's take your oak leaves. Now, I'm pretty sure this will go straight down to 41. It should all go straight down to 41. Did I get enough items to sort things out? No, I'm missing one. I'm missing one. Am I missing one? Did I not grab the leaves? No, I didn't. Okay, now we're gonna grab our oak leaves. And we're gonna go grab our oak logs, our birch logs, what was it? Cobblestone, and our white wool. Now, if we just chuck them all in this chest, and you know what? We chuck these random items in there too. So why not? It all goes in to, well, it goes from the chest. Did I just collect that somehow? I don't know. Okay, so you just don't get too close to that somehow. So maybe we'll just go like that. Block that off. Normally you don't pick stuff up, but anyways, they go from the chest into the hopper, into the dispenser, and then they go into their respectable sorting systems. This one should be filling up fleas right now, right? Now, next is, I think that's an oak log? Yep. Oak logs will not be entering any of these, or apparently this. That's a no-no, oak log. I don't like how I'm picking that up. But yeah, so that is a basic sorting system. Like, you don't have to build it as big as the one over there. You could just build it like this. Now, let's go to Minecraft Java edition. Not Java, Bedrock edition. Wait for it to load, obviously. Stop. Okay, I did the wrong thing. I'm gonna have to edit that out. I have 2 Minecrafts. Bedrock and Java. My music just stopped. I don't like that. So while we're waiting for it to load, we can actually see how this is working. Like, whenever I don't know. So basically these should be lit. Yeah. Those should be lit. You see how those are flickering? Like, this is flickering right here? Yeah. And that's off? That means it's being sorted. Problem solved. It glitches. Will it not open? Okay, now it will. I have no idea what I was doing here. Let's just create a new world. And we're going to start with the same thing that we did last time. It's going to be quite boring, but it works. I kind of wish I had those settings in Java, not going to lie. So, like the same as before, this is actually a really lot easier to navigate. Our chest, we need one of those, right? We need hopper, we need comparator, we need redstone repeater, we need some redstone, we need a redstone torch. And now, we need our wools. I'm gonna go with magenta for this one. Just to show, I'm just doing this just to show you it's the same process as usual. I didn't want to open that. In fact, you didn't even need double chests, actually. But we're gonna go for double chests because we can. I guess we're only gonna stick to one color of wool. Actually, you know what? We're gonna make it fancy and actually have 2 different colors of wool. I guess I'm just kind of rushing through this. You really don't need concentration for this system. Oh, by the way, you want these connected to said comparators. If they're not connected, this system will just fail. Automatically, with no regards. The bobble column system does work on this one too, on this version. So there's no need to rebuild that. In fact, we're just gonna go real simple here. At this point, I'm just getting lazy. There we go. I know I forgot the redstone there, but we're gonna add that last. Now, like usual, we take our anvil, we take our filter block, and we go, there we go. Oh, we're gonna start here. Same thing as last time, you just put that all in there. And there you go. Now, we're just going to get all our blocks that we want in here. Yeah, that seems about right. That doesn't look like it's being powered. Oh yeah, that's why. That's right. That's because we're not in the sorting process. Anyway, so we're gonna go through the sorting process now. Should take double the items. Yeah, you see, it does work. Yeah, it works. So this is a redstone contraption that works on both versions of Minecraft that has this update where you have hoppers and comparators and all that stuff, obviously. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry for my spelling mistakes. I am slightly retarded. But yeah.